Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is electron configuration. Shells fill from the inside out, and that pattern controls every reaction an element will ever have. By the end of this, you'll be able to write the arrangement for any of the first 20 elements. Electrons sit in shells around the nucleus. The first shell holds up to 2 electrons. The second and third shells at GCSE hold up to 8 each. You fill from the inside out. Complete the first before starting the second. Complete the second before starting the third. 3 things. 1. Shells fill 2, 8, 8 for the first 20 elements. 2. The outer electrons drive the chemistry. Bonds form by gaining, losing, or sharing them. 3. Write the configuration as numbers separated by commas from the inside to the outside. Common slip: putting more electrons in a shell than it can hold, or writing them in the wrong order. The first shell maxes out at 2, then comes the second at 8, then the third at 8. Always fill the inner shells before adding to the next. Quick example: sodium has 11 electrons. Configuration is 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1. Chlorine has 17 electrons, 2, 8, 7. Notice the outer numbers, 1 for group 1, 7 for group 7. The group number predicts the outer shell. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.